How to timeline your past trips in Google Maps. So hello guys, if you want to timeline your past trips in Google Maps, you need to on timeline option. If you didn't on it, you cannot timeline it. But I will tell you how you guys can turn on timeline for the future trips. So it works on iPhone, Android or mobile. So for that we'll simply go to maps. Once you click here you guys will see on top right corner small profile pic. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, here you guys will see your profile, your timeline. So simply click on your timeline. Once you click here you guys will see today. Also on top you guys will see timeline is on. So to see past trips timeline, you need to turn on timeline option. If you don't have, you will not see any activity. So once you turn on it, after that your trips will be timeline. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.